Rastafari, and I fell in love. You make me mad, and I fell in love, Ay, 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 You make me mad, and I fell in love,
I am proud that my channel has full reviews of all ML generations. I adore Mercedes ML models for its unique luxury experience. This half European, half American burger on caviar wheels vividly separates itself from other luxury SUVs. When BMW X5 was shown to general public with its excellent grip and great handling, Mercedes did not care. They continued to stay loyal to softness and luxury. Of course, there were some AMG models, but all MLs except AMG were soft and cozy. For me, this is the last eye-comforting ML, especially in the black color with the black wheels and the tinted windows. It's very desirable. Front is aggressive, but it does not scream at you. It is very calm and restrained. No unnecessary lines, everything is very simple. AMG body kit fits this car perfect, same as gel fits corrupt government officials. Tinted windows and carefully picked matte black wheels have one concept of quiet luxury. This car does not deliver you to any destination, it arrives with you to the occasion. When you look at it, you feel the size of the car and importance of what you're driving. Unfortunately, the same ML that was refreshed and named GLE didn't deliver such status to the occasion. A new GLE looks like a luxury toy for wives that are fully loaded with Botox. Welcome to the world of bad leather and great design. All ML models have problems with the material. In some places materials were good and in some were horrible. Same thing here. Plastics are nice to touch and it has Mercedes smell, but leather is very cheap. And it's cheap on the seats, but on the door panels the leather is excellent. First ML had expensive leather everywhere. And even today, those first generations, if they're well taken care of, the leather looks excellent there. Harman Kardon audio system delivers great sound quality, and you can feel the pain of the previous owner when he paid for the system. All buttons are nice to touch and stitching is excellent everywhere. Doesn't matter where you look, your eyes are relaxed and you feel a little bit like a gangster. Sitting in the car gives you a feeling of peace and helps you to zone out from all your daily routines and problems. And passengers at the back experience the same feeling. Also, there's a lot of space in the back. I saw some MLs with the same year that have squeaky noises in the interior, especially from the driver's side. So pay close attention to every noise that you hear before you buy the car, because those noises will get louder and louder. Shades on sunroof opens very interesting, but when you open the sunroof, sound of all the rubber is screaming at you and the noise is very horrible. It can be solved temporarily if you adjust some lubricants to the rubber, and then the sunroof will slide very good. But after 3-4 summers, you need to change all the rubbers on the sunroof. Under hood we have naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 that generates 300 brake horsepower, and together with 7-speed automatic gearbox, car will reach 100 km in 7.4 seconds. If you put premium fuel to it and change oil every 8,000 km, it will serve you 150,000 km without any problems. But pay close attention to all the plastics and rubber connections that are responsible for the cooling, because sometimes they do leak and car can overheat immediately and damage the engine. There were some cases when you in the neutral and engine is idling, weird vibrations came out of the car. It occurred because air intake didn't work properly, and it's very easy and cheap to fix. Also, pay attention to the engine chain. It can stretch earlier than expected, and it all depends on the driving style of previous owner, because this car hates rapid accelerations, and also it has very weak brakes. So if you buy it, and you buy it in great condition, drive it with dignity and style. Air suspension needs cleaning every 50,000 kilometers. Conventional suspension is very reliable and has no flaws in it. Trunk is very luxurious, especially materials, and it smells nice. Also, in the trunk we have USB ports and spare wheel. And when you close the trunk, it is nice to look at the taillights because they are very cute. Speaking of taillights, there were cases when the taillights were foggy, so pay close attention to the taillights and the headlights also. For me, owning 2014 ML350 is like dating very cute and nice girl that was dating drug dealer or gangster and relationship were very abusive. She's perfectly fine and you feel happy with her, but sometimes in her behavior you sense she sold some hard drugs, or maybe even she used those hard drugs, and you're very sure that she scammed some people. Nevertheless, she's committed to you, and you believe that after financial and emotional investment, everything will be great and you will enjoy each other for the eternity. ML is no more, and now it's called GLE, and for me that's the, I don't know, weirdest decision that Mercedes made so far. I like the name ML, I really liked it, I got used to it, and it reminds me of the times when Mercedes made expensive cars inside and outside. When you look at them and you thought, oh, that's expensive. Now GLE looks like any other Korean luxury SUV. Like there's nothing special about the Mercedes. This is, I think, one of the last generations where you looked at it and you're like, yeah, that's Mercedes, and somebody going to kick my ass right now. So this is the feeling that you had. Here I drive it, I'm very relaxed. It's very different from the BMW X5. It's just it's more luxurious. You have more different luxury smells here than in BMW. For me, this ML is very big luxury car where I sit and drive it very slow. I don't want to go anywhere. I'm not in a hurry. Even if I am in a hurry, I do not care. I will drive it top 60-70 kilometers. That's it, no more. I don't want to floor it. Just I enjoy the atmosphere here, the tinted windows, the smell of the leather, the softness of the ride, and also the softness of the steering wheel. I mean, it handles so good. Just you know, it's at the same time it's precise and it's not aggressive. It's just very balanced, and when you turn into the corner, like with the speed, like right now we are going about 60, it handles itself. I can feel the grip, I can feel where it will let go, where it will engage brakes and cut the power, and it's very good, it's very intuitive, but it's just I have zero intentions to just even half pedal it, not full throttle, just half pedal it. Just slight touch, cruise around, pick up the kids, go to work, go home in very relaxed position, and you know, you feel gangster. Really, I do. I feel like a gangster in this car, and I don't know any gangster that's in a hurry except when he's running from the police. That's it. You don't care about any opinions, nothing. You just enjoy the ride, and that's it. The only thing that I really do not like is the brakes. They are very weak. For this huge car with this weight, brakes, they must be bigger, and I can feel the lack of the braking power. Even on the low speeds, it's really here. I really do not understand people who buy ML63 in this body. Just like, what's the point, really? I mean, yeah, once a year, maybe twice a year, you will floor it, like, well, and that's it. This car doesn't want to go fast. You don't want to go fast in this car. So I have no idea what is the reason behind buying the ML63. Write in the comments, please. What do you think? Why people buy it? ML500, I understand. A little bit more power, not so much aggression, just you know, power with dignity, without any crazy stuff. ML63 is just like bah, all the time at you, you know, and no, that's not good. I understand G-Wagon, I understand AMG G63, because, you know, they are crazy cars for crazy people, but ML63, no idea why. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, that will help me a lot. Please Spread this video around to your friends if you liked it. If you didn't, tell me why in the comments. And don't forget about charity organization called Food for Life US. They help homeless people and they feed them, and also they buy some medicine in some cases, and they help unfortunate families. Also, if you want to buy this car, welcome to Authority showroom. Link is below. If you're in Uzbekistan, they have this car right now in the showroom. Take care and bye bye.